Compassion is a universal language. It transcends borders, cultures, and languages. It is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Global solidarity takes this empathy a step further. It is the recognition that we are all interconnected. Our actions have consequences for others, near and far. When we embrace global solidarity, we choose to act with kindness, generosity, and a deep sense of responsibility towards our fellow human beings. Imagine a world where compassion is the guiding principle, where people from all walks of life stand together in unity. This is the world we can create if we choose to embrace our shared humanity. Global solidarity is not merely an abstract ideal. It is a lived experience, manifested in countless acts of kindness and generosity around the world. These acts, big and small, weave a tapestry of interconnectedness. They remind us that we are not alone in our struggles and triumphs. We can build a brighter, more just, and compassionate world together. It starts with each of us recognizing the power we possess to make a difference. Let us join hands, hearts united, and embark on this journey of compassion and global solidarity.
At our core, we are all connected. We share the same hopes, dreams, and fears. We experience joy, sorrow, and everything in between. This shared human experience is the foundation upon which global solidarity is built. When we recognize the humanity in others, we begin to see ourselves reflected back. We understand that their struggles are our struggles, their triumphs are our triumphs. This realization has the power to break down barriers and foster a sense of unity among people from all walks of life. The power of shared humanity is most evident in times of crisis. When disaster strikes, people from all corners of the globe come together to offer support. They donate money, send supplies, and volunteer their time and skills to help those in need. These acts of compassion remind us that we are not alone in the world. Even in the darkest of times, there is always hope to be found in the kindness and generosity of others.
Throughout history, countless stories have emerged of individuals and communities coming together to support one another across borders. These stories serve as powerful reminders of the transformative power of compassion and global solidarity. One such story is that of the White Helmets, a volunteer organization in Syria that has saved thousands of lives from the rubble of war-torn buildings. These brave individuals risk their own lives daily to help others, embodying the true spirit of global solidarity. Another inspiring example is the response to the 2010 earthquake in Haiti. People worldwide mobilized to provide aid, donating millions of dollars and sending medical supplies, food, and clean water to the devastated island nation. These stories, and countless others like them, demonstrate the extraordinary capacity for compassion that exists within humanity. They remind us that even in the face of immense suffering, we can choose to come together and support one another.
Every act of compassion, no matter how small, creates a ripple effect that extends far beyond the initial act itself. When we choose to act with kindness and generosity, we inspire others to do the same. Think about the last time someone showed you kindness. Did it inspire you to pay it forward? Perhaps you held the door open for a stranger, donated to a cause you care about, or simply offered a listening ear to a friend in need. These seemingly small acts have the power to create a chain reaction of compassion. They remind us that we are all connected and that even the smallest act of kindness can make a world of difference. Imagine a world where compassion is contagious, spreading from person to person, community to community, and nation to nation. This is the world we can create if we each commit to living with greater kindness and empathy.
Section 5. Small acts, big impact. Global solidarity does not require grand gestures or heroic feats. It starts with the small, everyday choices we make. It is about choosing to see the humanity in others, to act with kindness and compassion, and to use our voices to advocate for a more just and equitable world. We can all make a difference in our own unique ways. Whether it is volunteering at a local charity, donating to organizations working to alleviate poverty or promote education, or simply having open and honest conversations with friends and family about the importance of global solidarity, every action counts. We can choose to be the change we wish to see in the world. We can choose to be the ones who break down barriers, bridge divides, and create a more compassionate and just world for all. Remember, even the smallest act of kindness can have a ripple effect that extends far beyond what we can imagine. let us each commit to living with greater compassion, empathy, and a deep sense of responsibility towards one another.
Section 6. Embracing our shared destiny. In an increasingly interconnected world, our destinies are inextricably intertwined. The challenges we face, from climate change and poverty to conflict and inequality, are global in nature and require global solutions. Global solidarity is not simply a moral imperative, it is essential for our collective survival. When we recognize that we are all part of one human family, sharing one planet, we are better equipped to address the challenges that confront us. When we work together, we can achieve extraordinary things. We can find solutions to seemingly insurmountable problems and create a future where all people have the opportunity to thrive. Let us embrace our shared destiny and work together to create a world where peace, justice, and compassion prevail.
Section 7. Nurturing the seeds of global solidarity. Building a more compassionate and just world requires a conscious effort to nurture the seeds of global solidarity within ourselves, our communities, and our world. Education plays a vital role in fostering global citizenship. By learning about different cultures, perspectives, and ways of life, we develop empathy and understanding for others. We begin to see the world through multiple lenses and appreciate the richness and diversity of the human experience. Open dialogue and meaningful conversations are also crucial. By engaging in respectful and constructive dialogue, we can bridge divides, challenge prejudices, and find common ground. Let us create spaces where people from all walks of life feel safe to share their stories, perspectives, and experiences. Let us listen with open hearts and minds, seeking to understand rather than to judge.
Section 8. United in purpose, bound by love. In the words of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., we are caught in an inescapable network of mutuality, tied in a single garment of destiny. Whatever affects one directly, affects all indirectly. This profound statement encapsulates the essence of global solidarity. We are all connected, bound together by the invisible threads of shared humanity. Our actions have consequences for others, near and far. Let us remember that love is the most powerful force in the universe. It has the power to heal wounds, break down barriers, and unite people across divides. When we lead with love, we create a ripple effect that spreads outwards, touching the lives of countless others. Let us be the embodiment of love, compassion, and kindness in the world.
Section 9. Towards a brighter tomorrow. The journey towards a more compassionate and just world is a collective one. It requires each of us to do our part, to act with intention, and to never lose sight of our shared humanity. Let us be the generation that chooses love over hate, compassion over indifference, and unity over division. Let us be the ones who create a world where all people have the opportunity to live with dignity, freedom, and peace. The future is not predetermined, it is ours to create. Let us join hands, hearts united, and embark on this journey together. Let us build a brighter tomorrow for ourselves, for future generations, and for all beings who share this precious planet we call home.